Z Danger.
It's the D up in this bitch. I've been plotting and scheming, no I ain't got a reason, but it's probably them demons in my head while I'm dreaming. Thirsty bitch drink my semen, then come back cause she feeding. LOL she want the D, maybe that's why she cleaning. Boy, don't try to mimic me. My kush come from overseas. You the pawn, I am the king. All these other rappers weak. It's the motherfucking D. And I got the recipe for destiny. They don't believe I let them be. They'll just have to wait and see. I'm stunting on my enemies. Parents never gave a shit. Growing up in violence, a criminal's environment. The trap house where my time was spent. I became a problem kid. Thank you for the compliments. On my came from nothing shit. It's the fucking D.O. bitch, yep, it's the D.O. bitch, you know I'm fucking killing it. Light it up and take a hit. Shooting like I'm NBA, quick pause, hit a J. Now I'm driving down the lane, you ain't keeping up the pace. Like a tortoise in the race, sorry kinda hard to chase. Always coming first place, you ain't close, get out my way. I color bay, wish I could see ya every day. But that time just ran away, any beat I fucking slay. Anytime, any day, got my death, I'm getting paid. Nothing else is left to say, feds took my mic away.
I tell you fake niggas the pieces, body slam your ass with reason. Both hands around your neck and they ain't releasing. Cause I'm a demon, the weed I'm smoking so sticky got me believing it's adhesive, holding shit together like it's fucking semen. My dreams are seeming to leave me with money that I am keeping. Like a shooting star I'm beaming, double cups got me leaning and conceiving these thoughts that I am believing. And it's all about the money, fast cars and honeys, you bummy. In front your crew you acting funny but always end up running. I'm murderous on the beat, leave your ass in defeat. Can't compare to what I see, demolish you in the streets. Some people call me grim, and nigga I came to reap. I can't lose focus, I'm on a slope too steep. Never accept defeat, but you bout to if you step to me.
Haha, it's the motherfucking D, bitch.
Z Danger.